Made in the USA. Proudly made in the USA out of top-quality food-grade materials. Each purchase supports American industry and factory workers. Includes 4 premium ice cube trays. Each tray makes 16 nice-sized ice cubes for a total of 64. Flexible and durable ice trays. Ice cubes release easily with just a twist. Stackable. Trays stack easily and neatly in the freezer without sticking to each other. BPA free and dishwasher safe. These Kitch Ice Trays are 100% BPA free and safe to wash in the dishwasher. Top reviews from the United States. Work really well. Easy release. I use a lot of ice and I have been debating whether to buy one of those little countertop ice makers. I decided to look into trays again and searched for an easy release made in the USA BPA free ice cube tray. It meant all the requirements and I couldn't be happier. We have a little cottage during the summer and we go through a lot of ice and I simply make it every morning and have plenty for every cooler and drink that is consumed. Made in the USA BPA free and incredibly easy to pop from the tray. Highly recommend. In addition, I don't have to worry about all the complaints that people write about with those countertop ice makers.